Students show their understanding of skip counting by tens in this activity. They use these strips. Please make sure to laminate these strips and provide a dry erase marker so that students can fill in the blanks directly. So this is skip counting by tens. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Yes, we know that. And this is also skip counting by tens because it's 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75. And students also explain that 58, 68, 78, 88 is also skip counting by tens. They may use reference sheet as and when needed. Here are the directions that help to work on this activity independently, and here are the answers for students to that provide immediate feedback.